Welcome back to today's video. I'm going to show you how I book 10 plus qualified demo calls every single week using Instantly, which is a cold email platform. Now, first off, before we get into this, make sure you subscribe. More videos like this to come, but I'm going to be doing a split screen type version video today so you can see exactly what I'm doing on my screen and we can stay on course. So I use Instantly for all my cold emails. I'm going to go over you every single niche, how I actually filter the contacts, what I look for, and how I enrich the profiles. Just so you realize when you're sending out cold email, okay, you want to warm up a certain amount of inboxes. For every single niche that I go after, I warm up about give or take 10 to 15 email accounts. Now, Instantly does this for you. Now, when I buy 15 email inboxes, so let me go here on my screen here. I'm going to show you this. So when you're trying to get email accounts, I always try to get about 15 per niche that I target. So I go to the done for you email setup. I go to Google. I'll type in here more clients. Okay. I might want that type of verbiage in the actual domain of where I'm sending the emails from. So I picked 3 of them. Obviously, I didn't look at them, but I'm just showing you for an example. I click next and I'll have about 15 here. Yeah, I'll pay about $120. So around $100 to get those first 15 emails. You're going to give that 2 to 3 days to warm up, and then you're going to follow exactly what I do in the next piece of this. Inside of Instantly, you are going to go to super search first. This is where you're going to start finding like what list you're going after. Okay. So the way that I always do it is this. On the left-hand side here, there are multiple filters that you're going to use to grab these leads. Okay. And here's what I do. Okay. Job titles. I don't use any of that. Location. You're going to set that to United States. Okay. That's what I do. So we set it to United States, industries, and keywords. Okay. You can obviously filter this more. I'll get to that in a second. Revenue. Maybe you're going for companies that are doing 7 figures or more. Let's select that for today's scenario because obviously they have money, right? And then I always set this to 1 lead per company, and I always do skip already owned. As you make multiple lead lists, you don't want to have the same email of the same person in 2 different campaigns, okay? So if I go to job titles, okay, we want to get CEO. We want to get, you could also search the word owner. Okay, business owner. You also want to go to owner again. We can also click this owner, and then we can do like partner. Okay, managing partner. And then also we can do president. Okay, so I always do these. I'll let these refresh. So now that I have my job titles, I want to go down by niche. Okay, how do we go down by the niche? So I'm going to go down to industry and keywords here. we're going to do business services. Okay, let's say I'm doing lawyers. I'll do this example for you live, do law practice and legal. Now you're going to see right here in refreshing, there's now 2,380 people now who are in here. Okay, this is very cool because 2,380 is actually a very good list for cold email. So here's what I do. I take this 2,380, and these are people doing $1 million to 10 million. Okay, let's say I got rid of the revenue and I wanted to hit everybody. It's probably going to be about 14,000. Okay, so if I want to then segment this, I want people who make 7 figures a year. You're going to click find emails, and you see these amount of credits I have up here. These are the credits that you're given monthly. Okay, these are to enrich the profile. So I click find email. I want their work email, a fully enriched profile. Okay, and then you're going to click enrich 2380 leads, and then you're going to use your credits towards that. Okay, so inside of Instantly, right, I've always seen that about every single niche that I target is give or take about 5,000 coins. Okay, so this is where you want to select the right plan that you're on. So what I'll do here is I'll go to settings, okay, and then you can check your plans from here. So I'm on under 25,000 contacts. Okay, I do use growth, and I also have light speed. Okay, and this is on the 358 a month. This gets me enough credits to be able to obviously like do this. So when I go to Instantly credits, you have to pick hyper credits, $300 a month, and that will get you 20,000 credits every single month. It's not like you get 20,000, you got to stay under that. So that's going to be 4 niches a month that I can go after. Okay, so after we enrich the profiles, you're going to let that thing run, okay, because it takes time for it to actually run. So after you're done enriching the profiles, they're now going to show under a lead list. That lead list, which is this one here for the law practice owners, I'm going to click this box here, select all results. And then I'm going to click move and move to campaign. Okay, you select that target campaign. If you haven't made your campaign yet, you'll simply go to campaigns here. We click add new. We're going to do YouTube video example. We're going to click continue. And then you're going to click sequences. And this is where you're going to start building your email campaigns. I'm going to show you my exact email campaigns in this video so you can swipe down. Okay, the schedule piece, you can copy everything that I have here. And then option, this is where after those 2 to 3 days are up, where you've warmed up these email accounts, those emails will show here. Okay, open tracking, I always enable it. Okay, daily limit, I'll start around 30 to 50. And then we go down here, put the owner as myself. We don't do any custom tags. Okay, and then I'll show you the rest of my settings on this other example. So we're going to open up this law practice one right now. Okay, open rates are 54%, really, really high. Okay, I put all the leads in there. Here's my sequences exactly. You can copy these texts or take screenshots of these while you're watching the video. I do one email, I wait 1 day, do a second email, wait a third day, do a third email. Okay, and then for schedule, this is the exact schedule, so you can copy it. And then we go to options. You can literally scroll with me. Okay, I said 30 to 50, but once I have it warmed up, I'll then increase it to 100 after about the 3 to 5 day mark. Okay, and then go down here, copy my settings here. Sure. And as I scroll, you can pause. Okay, and then that's really it. And then from there, you would click the resume campaign thing over here, and then you will start launching the cold email campaign. Now, when you do get inside instantly, you want to make sure that you add the AI that will answer the emails for you. So I have a Slack channel that's just dedicated to the instantly AI bot inbox manager agent. So every single email that I get, this thing automatically responds and it just sends them the booking links. It answers their questions. It knows about my offers, my pricing, all these things. It also has my slide deck of client wins. It has all this information in it, and it's in its knowledge base. And this is how I'm booking 10 plus, cold email booked calls every single week. Okay, and these are actually really good calls. Some of them are 2 call closes, some of them are 1 call closes, really just depends. There is another feature that I want to talk to you about, which is the website visitors. Okay, as you're running paid traffic, people are visiting your landing page and they're not opting in immediately. Okay, keep this in mind. There is this new feature called website visitors. Over the last 7 days, it has logged 1,700 website visitors that have hit my actual landing page. Okay, when you set up website visitors, you're just going to add a freaking code on the top. You add a code on the top of the landing page on the head tracking code. Instantly will give you that code for you to copy and paste. Okay, once the head tracking code is placed, what you can do is you go to the left-hand side here. Okay, you have all these leads to the 267. You have your setup here, which makes sure that, hey, this domain, the test was successful, and then you have to pick your plan for this. Okay, the current plan, you pay $97 a month for 500 visitors. I have to upgrade mine, obviously. I will do that after this video, but this feature just recently came out. Okay, now once I have these website visitors in there, okay, select all. You then add them to the campaign. You can build a campaign just for website visitors like I have done here. So here's my website campaigns. Okay, so here are all the leads that got dropped in here. Okay, it verifies the leads. It tells me if the email is opened, etc. Here's my sequences for it. Hey, I noticed that you visited my Done For You webinar funnel website. Second email is, I always do RE client referral because it's like, hey, I'm trying to send you a client, but I want to get you more clients. That's the angle that I've always used here. So those are the two. And then those leads will auto go on there. Scheduling's the same, options are the same, and these things don't change. And then, once those obviously start fermenting, you get to see, your open rates on every single step. Step 2 got more because the client referral RE just does really well. So, I have that set up too, so that as people are going on my ads and then not converting, I can use cold email to now convert them. On top of that, I also use OpenSend. Okay, OpenSend is a really cool software that I use, and this will also grab emails of people who have visited the page but not done anything. Okay, so I use a combination of OpenSend and Instantly to be able to grab these website visitors and pull their info without them having to opt in. Okay, but this keeps it all inside the cold email platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe if you're new. This is literally how I'm getting 10 plus book calls per week, and you can use this for your agency. Now, also keep in mind here, okay, is that I always do about one niche a week, and I get it off the ground. You let this run for about 30 days, and then you're gonna be able to see what niche works the best, what niche doesn't work the best. Then you could take your super search and then your lead list and make the targeting more broader and start sending more emails with the credits that revolve every single month. So with that being said, go crush it with your cold email campaigns. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.